Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I post all kinds of video. If this is your first time coming to my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notification by clicking the little bell in the corner. So in this video I am going to be showing you how to arch your eyebrows using echo gel and how to lay your edges using echo gel. So for my eyebrow, I am going to be using this echo gel and a needle with an airbrush, with this edge brush. So this are what I am going to be using to arch my eyebrow. And for my edges, I am only going to be using the echo gel and this edge brush. So we're gonna go first with the eyebrow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe our eyebrow. I'm using water and a piece of a material. You can use a cotton wool, anything. After that, I'm gonna get the edge brush and I'm going to brush up. Yeah. And do the same thing for the other one. After that, I'm gonna take my cold gel. Take just a tiny piece. I'm gonna take a tiny piece and I'm gonna apply it to my eyebrow. Just a tiny piece. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna brush and brush it. Okay, like that. After that, I'm gonna take the needle and I'm going to be using the side where you put the thread through. So this is the side that I'm going to be using, the side where you put the thread through. Be careful and don't make mistake to use the other side, because this is the sharp side. So I'm not using the sharp one, I'm using the other side where you put the thread through. So next we're gonna just take it like this. Just do like you're doing with a normal pencil. Okay. Okay, you can actually see the difference between my eyebrows. You can see this one is arched and this one is not. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other one. Sometimes I have hard time doing the other side. I don't know why. Is it the same for you too? Do you have hard time trying to draw the other eyebrow? I mean, one is usually very easy and the other one is usually very hard. I don't know if it's the same for you, but I have issue doing the other one of mine. And also I notice the one I have issue with usually comes out to be the best one. So guys, that is how I arched my eyebrow using Echo Styling Gel. So guys, that is how I arch my eyebrow using Echo Styling Gel. And for the next one, I am going to be doing my edges using this edge brush and my Echo Gel. So first, you just follow these steps. Take out some hair from your edges. This is easy. All you have to do is just brush some hair out of your baby hair, like that. Just brush it out. So I got the baby hair out, and I'm gonna apply my Echo Gel on them. So guys, that is it for today's video. I noticed my edges are not really good because I haven't been doing edges for a long time now. I think I'm starting to lose my skills on edges, but I promise I'll get better if I get back to it. So this is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.